students, welcome to Bala's English today. This class is all about correlative conjunctions. Before moving over to this topic, correlative conjunctions, you should know what a conjunction means. Conjunction is a word which joins two words or phrases or clauses. Conjunction is also called as connector. Okay, now that is about conjunction. Now today we are going to learn about correlative conjunction. This class is all about correlative conjunction. So what is a correlative conjunction? Correlative conjunctions are used in pairs. That means you cannot separate them. If at all you want to use these correlative conjunctions, you have to use them together. For example, either or. Either or. You cannot just use either alone as a conjunction. Okay? Not only but also. You cannot use but also separately and not only separately. So this is what I mean when I say that you have to use these words in pairs. Okay, conjunction, correlative conjunctions are used in pairs. Got it? Now let's learn quickly 6 correlative conjunctions. The first one is either or. Most of you are aware of usage of either or. What is the meaning of either or? This or that. Example, she can have either tea or coffee. Either, that means it's her preference. She can take coffee or tea. Got it? So, she can have either tea or coffee. What is the next conjunction we are going to learn about? Not only but also. Not only but also. Not only this but also that. When you use this particular conjunction, you have to check whether your two words or two subjects which are going to use, that is handsome, intelligent here, both are correlated. What I mean to say is, suppose you take any food items, cake, biscuits, okay, fine. So I like, okay, I not only like cakes but also biscuits. Correct. I cannot say I not only like biscuits but also books. If you say like that, they are not correlated. It's a wrong usage because biscuits or rice or these are the food items. Okay, when I say books, pencils, pens, what are they? They are stationery items. So you cannot join food items with stationery. So in that way, it will be a wrong sentence. I not only like rice but also books. It's wrong. Okay, but if you use them like I not only like cakes but also biscuits, perfectly right, because biscuits and cake belong to the same category of same class. Okay, now let's go to the example. He is not only handsome but also intelligent. Now see, handsome and intelligent both denotes the quality of a person. A person is very handsome to look at and also mentally he is very strong, intelligent. So this talks about a person. So this is a perfect sentence. So he is not only handsome but also intelligent. Okay, now let's go to the next sentence. Both and. Both and. Okay, both, I like this and that. Both and. How to use them? You can be both a mother and a businesswoman. So you can be a mother, okay, mother to your child. And also you can be a very good entrepreneur or a businesswoman. Okay, so this also you can be both a mother and a businesswoman. So this cannot be separated. You have to use them together, both and. It has to be used in pairs. Now next one, whether or. Whether or, O-R-R. Okay, not A-R-E, it is O-R. Okay. Now the example I've given you is, I do not care whether you help me or not. I don't care whether you help me or not. This or that. If you don't help me also, okay. If you help me also, okay. I don't care both, because I don't require your help, but you are willing to help me, fine. Otherwise, no problem. Okay. So I do not care whether you help me or not. The next pair is no sooner than. This is a very interesting one, and most of us make mistake while using this pair. No sooner than. So no sooner did we step out than it rained. No sooner did we step up. But why did we write step? Because of did. Did. Whenever you use did, the verb should be in the present tense. Step out. Okay, not stepped out. So no sooner did we step out than it rained. That means as soon as we stepped out, it started raining. That's the meaning of this sentence. Understand? So no sooner did we step out. Always no sooner should be followed by did. Past tense. Did we step out than it rained. So the sentence is in the past tense. Okay. Next one. So that. It's a very simple one. From 6th standard onwards must be practicing this pair. Okay. So that. He is so poor that he cannot buy a car. He is so poor. That means he is very poor. So he cannot buy a car. Okay. He is so poor that he cannot buy a car. So I have given you 6. You can have neither nor also you can use. That is also a correlative conjunction. You have many more. For today's class I have selected these 6. So if you learn these sentences and if you learn these pairs and how to use them, put them in sentences, that will be fine for today, for this class. Okay. So either or, not only but also, both and, whether or, no sooner than, so that. So all these 6 has to be used in pairs. You cannot use them separately. That's condition number 1. And these are called as correlative conjunctions. And the usage also we have learned with certain samples. So hope you understood the class. Okay. If you like the class, just press the like button, share it to your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay. See you.